Shantae Skyers. I come from Sterling Castle, Red Hill, St. Andrew. I was 8 years old on April 11th, 2019 when I went missing. I left for Red Hills Primary School at around 7 a.m. dressed in my school uniform, a navy blue tunic, white blouse, and black shoes. That was the last time my family saw me alive. That afternoon, when I did not return home, my mother and father got worried and went in search of me. It was confirmed by my grade 3 teacher that I was in class that day, and also several community members remembered seeing me at a bus stop in the community and then en route to my home. I usually walk with a lot of children to go home from school, but rain was falling that day and everyone branched off. I was alone, walking through a popular but lonely pathway that leads to my house. As soon as my family realized that I was missing, they reported it to the police and everyone searched. On Tuesday, April 16th, 5 days after I was reported missing, I was found in a section of Sterling Castle Heights, known as Blue Hole. I was partially covered in garbage, still in my school uniform but no shoes. The entire community, including my father, passed this particular area and smelled a little stench, but thought it was a dead animal. The next day, the soldiers' dem found me at the very same spot. I was raped and brutally murdered so close to my home. 3 men were taken into custody. One of those men, who was of unsound mind, was killed by an angry mob. The other 2 was taken into custody, but nothing had come out of it. Please don't forget me.